Welcome, guys. Today we are going to learn about a very interesting topic, which is a special toolkit for cybersecurity professionals called Kali Linux. Before going into deep learning of it, first let me give you a brief introduction to what is Kali Linux. Kali Linux is a powerful and specialized operating system primarily used for ethical hacking, penetration testing, and cybersecurity. It's built on the Debian Linux distribution, which means it's part of a family of Linux systems known for their stability and flexibility. Imagine you're a detective trying to solve a mystery. You need special tools to find clues, right? Kali Linux is like a toolbox full of special tools for online detectives. It's a computer operating system with lots of programs designed to find weaknesses in computer systems and networks. These weaknesses can be used by bad guys, but good people like IT experts use Kali Linux to fix them before bad guys find them. Now, enough introduction, let's have a look at a brief history of Kali Linux. Kali Linux has a long story. It started as a project called Backtrack, which was also a toolbox for computer security experts. The first version of Backtrack was released in 2006. Then, a group of people decided to make it even better and called it Kali Linux. It's like taking a great detective and giving them even more gadgets. I think we should now jump to the most important part you all have been waiting for. What can you do with Kali Linux? Number 1. Finding security holes, also known as penetration testing. Imagine your house is a computer system. A penetration tester, someone who uses Kali Linux, is like a professional burglar who tries to break into your house legally to find weaknesses. They look for unlocked doors, weak windows, or vulnerabilities in the security system. This helps you fix these issues before a real burglar tries to break in. Now, you can also find security holes. Firstly, by website testing, checking websites for vulnerabilities like SQL injection, cross-site scripting, XSS, and more. Secondly, by network scanning, identifying open ports and services on networks to find potential entry points. And thirdly, by vulnerability assessment, discovering software weaknesses that could be exploited. Number 2. Testing your own security. Just like you test your smoke alarms, you can use Kali Linux to test your computer or network's defenses in following ways. Security audits. Checking your systems for weaknesses to improve overall security. Password cracking. Testing password strength to ensure they are secure. Wireless network testing. Assessing the security of Wi-Fi networks. Number 3. Use of Kali Linux is the crucial one. Learning about hacking, ethical hacking. Want to understand how hackers think? Kali Linux is a great tool to learn ethical hacking. You can learn ethical hacking by mastering these aspects. First, cybersecurity education. Gaining knowledge about hacking techniques to prevent attacks. Second, capture the flag (CTF) competitions. Participating in online challenges to improve hacking skills. Third, reverse engineering. Analyzing software to understand how it works. Number 4. Digital forensics. When a cybercrime happens, Kali Linux can help investigate and gather evidence by data recovery, recovering deleted or lost data from computers and storage devices. Mobile forensics. Extracting data from smartphones and tablets. Network forensics. Analyzing network traffic to find suspicious activity. In summary, Kali Linux is more than just an operating system. It's a toolkit for anyone interested in cybersecurity. Its rich history, beginning with Backtrack and evolving into what it is today, reflects its importance and relevance in the field of digital security. Whether you're a professional or just curious about hacking, Kali Linux offers a powerful environment to explore and learn.